In the year 2025, Europe remains sparsely inhabited. In the year 2028, humans create a new and innovative power source, most likely control nuclear fusion. World hunger is eradicated. Humans step foot on Venus for the very first time. In the year 2033, sea levels rise due to climate change. In the year 2043, the international economy is booming. Europe becomes Islamic. In the year 2046, synthetic organs become readily available en masse. Transplants have become commonplace. In the year 2066, while besieging Rome, which is Islamic, the U.S. discovers a new type of weapon classed as an environmental destructor. It can immediately freeze anything in its path. In the year 2076, the social caste system collapses, resulting in Marxist socialism. In the year 2084, nature revives itself. In the year 2088, a new virus appears, making people get old in a few seconds. In the year 2097, the virus is exterminated. In the year 2100, an artificial sun heats the dark part of the earth. In the year 2111, humans become increasingly robotic, resulting in a scenario like that in the movie Terminator. In the year 2103, small nations constantly wage war, while the major superpowers refuse to step in. In the year 2105, a space agency in Hungary receives signals from deep space. Baba Vanga comes into the public eye again. In the year 2130, societies are being constructed undersea with the aid of extraterrestrial beings. And in the year 2154, animals evolve to be human-like. In the year 2167, there is a brand new religion that has become popular around the world. And in the year 2170, the earth becomes dry and desertified. In the year 2183, the Mars colony becomes self-sufficient and demands sovereignty and separation from Earth. And in the year 2187, a few volcanic eruptions are successfully suppressed. In the year 2195, the underwater communities become fully autonomous by producing their power and food. In the year 2196, there are no longer European and Asian races, as they mix and form the Euro-Asian genome. In the year 2201, the sun gets colder, and the earth undergoes massive climatic changes. In the year 2221, humans come to horrifying realizations while scouring the universe for aliens. In the year 2256, a returning rocket brings an intergalactic virus back to Earth. In the year 2262, planetary trajectories experience fast adjustments, which puts Mars in danger of being destroyed by an asteroid. In the year 2271, physical constants fundamentally change, resulting in incompatibilities with our current physical formulas. In the year 2273, the Euro-Asian genome mixes with the African race, creating the Afro-Eurasian race. In the year 2279, scientists discover that energy can be created out of nothing by way of black holes and space bending of matter. In the year 2288, time traveling is discovered. Aliens and humans make contact. And in the year 2291, the sun gets significantly colder, and humans tried to reheat it. In the year 2296, solar flares become commonplace. The gravitational pull experiences modifications, resulting in the space station and satellites crashing down on Earth.